Hey guys, so this is going to be a super short video, just a couple of things to review from chapter 4. So chapter 4 is where we talked about photons and electrons moving from ground state to excited state. So I just wanted to review that process with you really quickly. So here we have our diagram of the atom, not the most recent and accurate model, but a model that we can use to talk about these concepts. So we start with the electron in ground state, which is this middle circle, and then it absorbs a photon. And remember, a photon is a piece of light, so it could absorb other kinds of energy, but we'll just say a photon. So here's, that's supposed to be our photon coming in, that squiggly arrow. And then that makes the electron move to a higher energy level. We sometimes call this an excited state, so it goes up to excited state, higher energy level, but it doesn't stay there very long, so it's going to release the photon, or a photon. So there's a photon getting released as it falls back down to ground state. Okay, so that's how electrons release photons after they get energy. This is called photon emission. Okay, another thing you want to remember about chapter 4, remember when we put on those cool glasses and you guys got to look at the emission spectra of different elements? So you got to see the lines, they were like colored lines. Those lines come from the different photons that are getting released as the electron is falling from excited state to ground state. Now, since there's only certain energy levels in the atom, you're only going to have certain lines. You're not going to have a whole continuous spectrum. You're just going to have certain lines because the energy levels are quantized. There's only certain specific ones. And that's pretty much it for chapter 4. So that was fast and easy.